So we are into the final portion of unit 1 where we are going to see about cascading of amplifiers. So last class we have seen the basics of cascading. So we go for cascading when we are not satisfied with a single amplifier for a specific application. So we want the gain to be very large. That cannot be achieved by a single common emitter amplifier. So we are going to use cascading of many multiple common emitter amplifiers. Cascading, as I say, it is just like connecting them in series. So output of first amplifier will be the input to second amplifier. The output of second amplifier will be the input to the third amplifier. So like that it goes on. How many amplifiers I need, it depends on what application and what is your gain requirement. Okay, there is no fixed rule that I should use only 2 amplifier or 3 amplifier. You can use n amplifiers where n is going to be decided by you. Okay, so the most commonly used cascade amplifier is using common emitter amplifier. As we said, we are going to have multiple stages of common emitter amplifier in cascade just to improve my gain of my application. So before considering the analysis of multi-stage amplifiers, we have done analysis of single stage amplifiers, right? So with that, we will extend the formulas for n-stage amplifier. So we are not going to derive anything new for multi-stage amplifier. We are going to for extend the formulas which we use for single stage amplifiers to the multi-stage amplifiers. So as usual, when we do analysis, we will ignore all the biasing network. We will short circuit the voltage source VCC. All the capacitors will be shorted. So this is going to be done as we do for a single stage amplifier. We are going to do the same thing for multi-stage amplifier, and same way we are going to find all the 4 parameters: voltage gain, current gain, power gain, input impedance, and output impedance of n common emitter amplifier. And remember, there is no derivation for n stage amplifier. We are going to extend all the formulas based on single stage amplifier only. So be very clear on that. Okay.